What's up, weekenders? I'm Corbin. Welcome to my channel, and we're back in the garage because today we're going to be putting on some more LED lights on the front of my Bronco, specifically in this new Lobo off-road front bumper, and hopefully get some more nighttime lighting. All right, so I've been rocking these SS2 Diode Dynamics lights for about 4 or 5 months now. So these are going to be their Sport Series ones. They have a Pro and a Max edition of these. These ones are amber backlit. They have a few different style backlighting. I think they got like green, blue, red, maybe a couple other colors. And yeah, so I loved them so much that I went ahead and we got 5 SS3s to go on the front bumper, which is going to be their Stage Series. Also amber lit. These are also going to be the Sport Series. One step up from that is the Pro, and then a step above that is the Max. Either way, whichever one you go with, it's going to be a ton of light. They're super good. I've been impressed so far. And I also got some Stage Series rock lights. These guys are going to be lighting up underneath my Bronco, and I also got these in amber to keep that amber theme going. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to start throwing these onto my front bumper, and yeah, I'm just going to kind of do this quickly so that we can go and check them out at night.
One eternity later.
After a lengthy install due to this Vegas heat, it's been absolutely insanely hot out, so it took me a couple days to get this project done, but they're on and they look absolutely amazing. The backlighting looks super cool, and I have been using them for a few days now, and I can confirm they're extremely bright at night. If you are going to be putting them in a Lobo off-road front bumper, 5 of them actually do fit. So go ahead and get yourself 5 of them. I think it fits absolutely perfectly. Also, if you're going to be using his light bracket, you're going to have to install it reverse of what it's usually meant to be installed, and you're gonna have to drill your own holes. Nothing too crazy. It didn't take me very long. Just drilled up some new holes and lined up the lights, and I think it looks absolutely perfect. The performance of them is night and day. I mean, these are only the sport models, and they still perform way beyond my expectations. I mean, if you look at this drone footage I have right here, you can definitely see how much more you're getting, not only in width but in distance, and the brightness is pretty impressive. I went with the sport models because I figured I wouldn't really be outrunning these lights. A lot of the stuff that I do is slow. I do occasional fast stuff, but it's never extremely long distance. So I'm pretty happy with the sport ones, but if you do really fast long distance and you need to see really far, definitely check out the Pro or the Max options that Diode Dynamic offers, and those will definitely reach out pretty far if these sports are already impressing me. With that being said, I think they're really cool. I'm excited to keep using them. I definitely want to get more Diode Dynamic lights in the future. The rock lights I also installed, and they look super awesome, super bright, and they really fill out the fender wells and underneath the Bronco. Not only do they look cool, but I think they're actually going to help out in the slower nighttime rock crawling to help see the rocks below me. But with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install, and we'll see you at the next waypoint.